how is it made a good gel lens cleaner such as UltraVue? UltraVue Gel Lens Cleaner is made of 4 components. The first is a lab-grade deionized type 2 water. Surprisingly enough, there are different types of water according to their degree of purity. Specifically, for lab use, you have 3 grades of water: type 1, type 2 and type 3. UltraVue Gel Lens Cleaner is made with type 2 water, which represents an incredibly pure solution that is used for media preparation and buffer creation, for example. It is also deionized, meaning that we remove the most ions from it, removing from the water more impurities, mineral and possibly dangerous metals like copper and lead. The fact that the water doesn't have ions increases its cleaning performance. In fact, when you spray it on the lenses, it attracts those minerals, impurities and metals, and it works like Swiffer if you have to make an analogy. The second component is the detergent, and while its composition is a business secret, I can tell you this: UltraVue has been manufactured in the US since 1996. So the experience accumulated by this company in lens cleaning technology is incredible, and it will not ruin your lenses or coatings whatsoever. But the big surprise is that within the detergent there are certain polymers that give anti-static properties to the lenses, meaning that after the application your lenses will not attract dust and small debris for a long time. The third component is isopropyl alcohol, and yes, in small concentrations, it doesn't damage lenses or coatings. In UltraVue Gel Lens Cleaner we have a very small percentage of isopropyl alcohol, from 0 to 3%. And it is actually the ingredient that gives that spectacular and spotless final effect to the lenses. Without detergent and isopropyl alcohol, it wouldn't be possible to remove so effectively fingerprints, oil and grime. The final fourth component is gel itself. Gel consistency is much better than just a liquid. It sticks to the lens, trapping better dust and small debris, increasing the cleaning performance. It is also more efficient because where you spray it, it stays. UltraVue Gel Lens Cleaner was independently tested by Colt's laboratories, and they verified that it doesn't leave any streaks or smudges, ensuring a 0.0 haze rate. Follow and subscribe for more.